Welcome to this explanation video in the tutorial series. In this video, we are going to talk about the Seneca homepage and its many features. After successfully logging in, we can see the Seneca home screen. There we find a divided layout with 6 segments, where we can open the most frequently used datasets, analyses, reports, as well as daily functions. This feature makes our daily work easier because it leads you immediately to, for example, the last used P&L report. These functions can also be accessed via the menus. Now let's go through clockwise each tile from the main screen. The latest datasets are the last open datasets that the user used in his previous workflow. With this feature, you can quickly access the last open datasets. The next one is the daily business. Here you can find the main features of Seneca, like the main reporting tool, the schedulers, etc. In our next videos, we are going through each of these features. In the favorite boxes, we can adjust our earlier saved favorite datasets and analyses. If you need one of them in your meeting, you don't need to search via the menus, but you can easily present it here with one click. In the tutorial box, you will find, in addition to our explanatory videos, the following tools. The Data Connector is an additional bookable extension capable of facilitating data exchange between Seneca and your previous systems, ERP, accounting tools, etc. By using it, a company can transfer data from its own network to the SaaS cloud system. Add-ins for Microsoft Excel, Word, and PowerPoint create new menu options and incorporate Seneca functionalities within these applications. Finally, the latest analyses, similarly to the latest datasets, are useful for analyses, reports, etc. On the left-hand side of the screen, you find the dashboard function. In the middle of it, the dashboard updates data in real time, so users always have up-to-date information. On the top right corner of the homepage, you will find our messages, a calculator, and the global menu of the software. The menu and its functions are described in the following sections. Home. Use this feature to easily navigate back to the Seneca home screen at any point during your session. Dataset Settings. In this section, you can not only view all your existing datasets, but also perform a variety of operations. These include creating new datasets from scratch, making modifications to existing ones, or importing additional datasets as needed for your analyses. Resources. The Resource Manager provides a comprehensive overview of all critical elements stored within your organization. This includes detailed insights into your analyses, consolidated reports, thresholds for alerts, and the status of various data imports. Main Report. This menu option allows you to effortlessly generate professional-grade reports tailored to your specific needs and requirements. You can incorporate previously created charts and spreadsheets into these reports in various layouts and positions. Schedule. Efficiently manage and organize your workload by scheduling tasks through the Schedule Manager. This feature enables you to automate the import and export of charts, reports, and other essential resources. Whether you're setting up new tasks or fine-tuning existing ones, the Schedule Manager offers you the flexibility to streamline your workflow effectively. Tools. The tools available in Seneca include modules for credit management, investment management, leasing management, payroll, and personnel management. Each module is designed to streamline and enhance specific operational tasks within your organization. Seneca Database. Seneca supports connectivity to various relational databases, facilitating ad hoc queries and enabling users to retrieve specific data from selected databases as needed. Input Form Manager. This tool simplifies and standardizes data entry across Seneca's branches. It allows users to select predefined branches, view data in predefined time intervals, and apply advanced filtering options for organizing data effectively. The ICF Manager stores detailed data that is essential for record keeping, but may not need direct display in Seneca branches. Aggregated data from the ICF Manager can also be integrated into the input form for comprehensive management. Log Viewer. Review and monitor the status and success of critical operations such as imports, chart creation, and report generation with the Log Viewer. Workflow. Visualize and manage your workflow processes to ensure optimal efficiency and organization. Settings. Explore and configure a range of personalized settings and preferences through the Settings submenu under Options. This allows you to tailor Seneca to meet your specific operational needs and preferences. Change password. Ensure your account security by easily updating your password directly within Seneca. Menu settings. Customize the functionality of your Seneca menu to highlight the features and tools most relevant to your daily tasks and operations. Logout. Safely exit your Seneca session with a click of a button, ensuring the security of your data and account information. About. Gain insights into the version of Seneca you are using. Thank you for watching this overview of the Seneca homepage. We hope this video has provided you with a clear understanding of the various features and tools available to enhance your workflow. For each of these features, we are going to provide a tutorial video in the future. Stay tuned for more detailed tutorials on each specific function, ensuring you can make the most out of your Seneca experience. Goodbye.